Finally, I got the belt assembled and tightened the most I can. It's not the easiest. Actually, I'm thinking of building something of a belt tensioner or something like that. I think that would be a good idea. So as you can see, it's there, it's looped, and it's working. Okay, nicely working. So let's see what else next. So I've added the parts cooler and the LED light in there, and the hot end cooler, which are both connected to the same output. And because this one is always running, that one, when I'm printing ABS, for instance, or nylon or something, I have to shut it off. So I want to still have light to see what I'm doing. So from the back side, let me show you how it looks. It looks like this. It's bolted right. Let me see if I can focus there, and on the opposite side as well. Okay, so let's put it back. Now I'm going to be feeding the dual drive extruder hot end in one unit and the motor on this side. As you can see, everything is coming really good, really nice. I'm going to hide this wire and connect it later. I'm going to hide this one here, which is connected to the hot end cooler and the LED light there. As you can see, the first thing touching is the tip there, which is perfect. That's how it's supposed to be. Now I'm thinking I might start replacing everything on a PCB, and I'll show you how it will. Well, it's it's self-explanatory. You disconnect the parts cooler from the old PCB and you connect this one, which is now the parts cooler, is this one, these wires. The plug was different, so I'm going to have to weld it to the other plug. This here, I'm thinking the plug is the same. Yeah, so it's just a matter of, just plug it in. These ones here, I know one of them is okay. Oh no, none of them is okay. And this one here, I'll have to plug it with following the same colors. But if the engine, if the motor works the other way, I'll change two of them. In this case, let me see on the plug here. So if I need the motor to spin the other way, I will just change this blue with the red one. So switch them, the blue one on the red one spot, and the other way around as well. This green and this black, it remains the same way. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, I've ended up having to cut both the parts cooler wires and solder to the stock wires here, so I can still use the plugs, and the LED lighting and the hot end lighting as well. As you can see here, it was cutted, welded, and or soldered, and shrink tubed on top. Now I'm going to do the same with these. I could reuse the stock parts, but I have new ones, so I'm going to use those. I'm going to cut these and weld it to two wires, to those two wires from the heating element and the thermistor down there. Sorry for the image, I'm trying to look at stuff and show you guys as well. So that's why it's a little bit difficult to see everything. But hopefully you are following me and still understand everything we're doing here. Okay, let's carry on.